some of the complaints we get from patients with electronic medical records is, their doctor was too busy noting in an electronic medical record instead of listening to them. Tell us how that is going to get better, or how AI has helped that, so there's not a distraction with the computer in front of between the patient and the doctor.
Well, I will tell you, I've seen a demo or two of these AI scribes, and they are amazing. It amazes me that a computer can sit and listen to a conversation and be able to capture what's important and be able to throw away what's not. So, for example, I watched one demo where a patient, it was a demo, so it was a fake patient, a fake doctor, but they were having a conversation about the person's health issue, but then they also were talking about a trip they took to like Disneyland or something. And in the process, AI threw out all the information about the Disneyland trip and only saved the medical information. Now, that note, again, you can trust AI almost to the end, but not quite. That note still needs to be reviewed by whoever is quote unquote writing it, and make sure that everything is appropriate. And there is the ability to make any kind of changes. And, the nice thing is a lot of them will go in and you can hit a button and it'll tell you exactly where that information was. So maybe it denoted right and it was actually left, or whatever the case may be. And they can go in and make those changes. So, we've seen the data that shows that patients are much more satisfied with these conversations because a doctor is not sitting in front of that computer and making all kinds of notes. That AI scribe is actually doing it. And then at the end, the doc can just review that note and be able to say, yeah, this is the conversation we had, and approve it. And the physician or the patient really feels like they had that doctor's attention during the time that they were visiting. And I've also seen this. I mean, my vet used this. I went in with my dog and my vet was using AI. Yeah, AI scribe. And I was thinking, well, gosh, it's a dog. I mean, my mind just went to, it's my dog, but it didn't matter. For them, they had started using the AI scribe to help capture their exam notes during the exam of even people's pets. And so I think that we definitely are going to see some great things come out of that. And hopefully there are a few trials with nursing and other, ancillary services. And hopefully we'll see more of that come about. But in the long run, I think it'll definitely be able to lend more to our healthcare professionals paying, I don't want to say they weren't paying attention, but they appeared to not pay attention as a patient was talking. And that way the patient can feel like they truly have eyes on them and not on a keyboard.